Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss trigonometric identities. What is the topic name, Nana? The topic name is trigonometric identities. First of all, what is an identity? An identity is that mathematical equation which is true for all the values of the variables in the equation. Identity means what, Nana? An identity is that mathematical equation which is true for all the values of the variables in the equation. For example, a plus b whole square is equals to, we know that is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is what? This is an identity. Okay. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is what, Nana? Identity. Okay. Okay, students. Now, what is trigonometric identity? Just now we discussed what is an identity. Now, what is trigonometric identity? Trigonometric identity means an identity equation having t ratios, means trigonometric ratios of an angle is called trigonometric identity. An identity equation having trigonometric ratios of an angle is called trigonometric identity, and it is true for all the values of the angles involved in it, and it is true for all the values of angles involved in it. Now, okay, students, now consider a right angled triangle ABC. Okay, right angle is at B. Okay, now I'm taking here a right angle triangle ABC. A, B, C. Right angle is at what, Nana? B. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, we know the square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. So we know in right angle triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse and BC and AB, these two are what on other two sides. Now I am writing here AC whole square is equals to, hypotenuse whole square is equals to side square plus a side square, that is what, Nana? AB square plus BC square. Okay, so now take it as a equation 1. Now divide each term, divide equation 1 both sides with AC square. Okay, Nama? Divide equation 1. Equation 1 ni both side, LHS side, RHS side, both sides with AC square. Now see here, ikkada AC whole square by AC whole square. Okay na? దీని రెండింటిని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు మనం? We can write it as a simply ఏసీ బై ఏసీ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అని రాయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా, ఏసీ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ బై అగైన్ వీ షుడ్ డివైడ్ విత్ ఏసీ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఓన్లీ. సో దట్స్ వై ఏసీ బై ఏసీ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏబీ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ని విత్ ఏసీ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ తోటి డివైడ్ చేయాలి. దెన్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఏబీ బై ఏసీ whole square plus BC whole square also we divide with what na AC square. Then I am writing this one BC by AC whole square. Okay, now you try to remember children with respect to angle C. With respect to angle C, see here AC by AC undi, so AC cancel అయిపోతే what na that is 1. AC cancel అయిపోతే 1. So 1 whole square is equals to ఇక్కడ AB by AC ఉంది, AB by AC whole square with respect to angle C. AB by AC అంటే opposite side by hypotenuse. With respect to angle C, AB by AC అంటే ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ బై హైపోటెనస్, అది ఏ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోకి ఉంటుంది, దట్ ఈస్ సైన్. సో దట్స్ వై AB by AC అంటే యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ వాట్ నా సైన్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు యాంగిల్ C BC by AC ఇస్ దేర్. BC by AC ఉంది ఇక్కడ. BC అంటే విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు యాంగిల్ C this is the adjacent side BC and AC అంటే hypotenuse, అంటే adjacent side by hypotenuse means what nana అది ఏ రేషియోకి ఉంటుంది, cos ratio. ఓకేనా, సో దట్స్ వై in the place of BC by AC we can write it as a cos. ఓకేనా, sin A cos A whole square. ఓకేనా, so now see here 1 whole square is equals to sin square A plus cos square A. Okay na? Then we can write it as it is a trigonometric identity. Sin square A plus cos square A is equals to what nana 1. This is what one of the trigonometric identity. Okay. Okay students, now from the equation 1 we have what nana, that is AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Okay na, AB whole square plus BC whole square is equals to AC whole square. అంటే hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. LHS is equals to RHS, RHS is equals to LHS. Just now I divided each term by AC square. First case లో each term ని AC square తోటి డివైడ్ చేసాము. We get sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. ఇప్పుడు each term we divide with AB square. ఓకేనా, divide equation 1 with both sides with AB square. ఓకేనా, ఇప్పుడు ఈచ్ టర్మ్ని AB స్క్వేర్ తోటి డివిజన్ చేద్దాం. నౌ సి ఇక్కడ AB హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా AB హోల్ స్క్వేర్ తోటి డివిజన్ చేయాలి. సో దట్స్ వై AB బై AB హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ BC హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, దెన్ BC బై AB whole square is equals to here AC whole square is there, that's why AC by AB whole square. Now AB cancel అయిపోతే 1 ఉంటుంది, so that is 1 whole square plus BC by AB. ఓకేనా, BC by AB అంటే వాట్ నాన్న, BC by AB. ఓకేనా, BC అనేది ఇక్కడ adjacent side, ఇక్కడ AB అనేది ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్. అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ బై ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ అంటే దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ రా, కాట్ A హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఇక్కడ AC by AB, hypotenuse by opposite side ante what nana, hypotenuse by opposite means that is cosec. Okay na, sin ante opposite by hypotenuse, ade cosec ante hypotenuse by opposite, ante AC అనేది hypotenuse, AB అనేది opposite side. Okay, so that's why that is what nana, cosec A whole square. So we can write it as 1 square ante 1 plus cot square A is equals to cosec square A. అంటే cot A whole square ని మనం cot square A గా రాయొచ్చు. cosec A whole square ని we can write it as a cosec square A. Okay, so now if I transpose cot square A to RHS side, we get what nana, cosec square A minus cot square A is equals to 1. So this is what nana, this is one of the trigonometric identity. Okay na, cosec square A minus cot square A is equals to 1. Okay, now let us see for the third case. Okay students, from the equation 1 we get what nana, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square, and hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. So in first case we divided each term with AC square, we get one trigonometric identity, and in second case we divide each term by AB square, we get other trigonometric identity. Now this time I am going to divide each term of the equation 1 with BC square. Okay, then what happens, AB whole square by BC whole square means that is AB by BC whole square plus BC whole square by BC whole square means that is BC by BC whole square is equals to AC whole square by BC whole square means that is AC by BC whole square. So clear ga ikkada AB by BC undi, AB by BC with respect to angle C ikkada chuste AB by BC undi. So ante AB అనేది opposite side, BC is the adjacent side. అంటే opposite by adjacent అంటే that is ఏ రేషియోకి ఉంటుంది నాన్న, అది tan రేషియోకి ఉంటుంది. So that's why I am writing this is tan A whole square plus BC by BC. BC cancel అయిపోతాయి, that is 1 whole square is equals to AC by BC. ఓకేనా, యాంగిల్ సితో కన్సిడర్ చేసినప్పుడు AC అంటే హైపోటెనస్, AC is what నాన్న, హైపోటెనస్ బై అడ్జసెంట్. హైపోటెనస్ బై అడ్జసెంట్ అంటే అది ఏ రేషియోకి ఉంటుంది, సెక్ రేషియోకి ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, సీకాంట్కి. సో దట్స్ వై sec A whole square. ఓకేనా, నౌ ఇఫ్ ఐ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ this one tan A whole square to RHS side, then what happens, then we can write sec A whole square means that is sec square A minus tan A whole square RHS side transpose అయిపోతే minus tan square A is equals to ఇక్కడ ఏముంటుందిరా 1 square అంటే 1. So this is also another trigonometric identity. Okay, so sec square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. Okay na students? Okay students, from this class we get 3 trigonometric ratios. They are sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1, and cosec square A minus cot square A is equals to 1. Okay, and like that only sec square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. So these 3 are what nana, trigonometric identities. Okay, so next class we will discuss on some problems on this model. Okay na students, thank you.